IKEA finds that should be on your list next time you go to the store. All right, this is in the Burbank location when I was in LA. Let's start with the ViscaForce sofa series. If you love a more traditional but updated silhouette, this round arm is amazing, but this leather one is beyond. I would buy this right now. It's $16.99. It comes in a really pretty neutral as well, but when I tell you this is so comfortable for the price, like major. It also comes in this 1.5 seat love seat, which was just perfect. Next up, the Listerby coffee table. I love the clean look of this. Of course, the color I love was temporarily unavailable. Go IKEA. Same thing with the side table, which I thought was great for 99 bucks. If you're into the green velvet trend, this side chair and ottoman were beautiful. Flinsholt. She's very cute. Next up, really impressive dining table. Great for holiday entertaining. Morbilanga. She looks expensive. It kind of is for IKEA. All right, colored cabinets. If you want to get in on the green trend, the Bode bin are on sale, and this pretty sage color was beautiful as well. You need an office chair, buy this one. I'm buying it now. The Alifjal for $369 is beyond comfortable. Great little woven side table. The Tolkien comes with a basket, great for a kid's room. I also love this impressive 4-poster bed. It comes in 2 colors. It's the Yttervag. Should be so cute in my house upstate. Lastly, I love this great little elevated set of dishware. I went through with the Frikastig. Let me know if you have any of these. In the meantime, follow for more.